Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, reality continues to show up for Tesla here, and I mean, to think not that long ago this thing was knocking on the door of $500. Now it's down $170 per share. And I'm not saying that Tesla's going bankrupt or anything crazy. I'm just saying, Tesla did the typical thing where I think it caused a lot of people to think that all Tesla does is go straight up. But now profit takers are continuing to show up, and a lot of updates need to be done. Believe it or not, when I did this video last, these red line and green line up here were actually relevant, but after today's price movement, no longer relevant. So I'm just going to start over again because from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk having clutter and confusion with lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the key levels of resistance now to watch in any sort of bounce to the upside, at least in my opinion, that I'm very curious about, is right here. Let's see. Let me make it low. 342. 342 was this area of support that you can see was, did a good job of forming all afternoon long at 342. And then when the price finally did break below there, you can see that's what created the, additional downside pressure. So if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation, so if the price tries to go sideways and then work its way back upwards, in my mind, that 342 mark is definitely going to be a very revealing level where if the price can break above it, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying, therefore, it's going back up to 500. But at that point, that would be a good solid sign that there's some strength and power behind the bounce. So 342, like I said, it can be very helpful from the sign of just gauging the strength or lack thereof of any sort of movement. So keep a close eye on that. And then just, I suppose, because it is Tesla, so who knows how crazy it could get. After 342, next key level up there right around the 368 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, got to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit. Next key level of support for Tesla. Let's see, what is that? Nope, broke through that. Let's see, next key level of support right down here at 325. So 325, and then I should probably map out one more. After 325, next key level down there around 318. So we'll see what happens with it. I know I'll be watching it tomorrow, but yeah, crazy way to start the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.